Hey, Mike Phillips down here, 3D Garage in sunny Stuart, Florida. Now, this is something you don't see every day. This is a 1954 Kaiser Darrin. This is a fiberglass car. And back in '54, the fiberglass technology wasn't as good as it is today, or even about 10 years later. So the fact that this is a survivor is amazing. The unique thing about this car, besides being fiberglass, is see how the door, when you open it, instead of opening outward, it slides into the fender. Anyway, this car, it looks like it's in good shape, but when you do the baggy test, I've had about 6 people walk in here and feel the pain on this car. You can hear it. It is so contaminated. So we're gonna see what 3D products can do to remove that contamination and then take the finish to a higher level. This interior is 50 years old since this car was restored. And the owner says it's never been cleaned. So we're gonna see what LVP Cleaner and LVP Conditioner can do to bring some life and some beauty back into this leather interior. You know, everybody loves a 50-50 shot, and I've done a number of them in the interior on this 1954 Kaiser Darrin. So let me just show you what I used. This is the LVP Cleaner. I'm gonna come back with the LVP Conditioner, but so far this is all I've used. I've hand applied it. My favorite way is to machine apply it, and then of course wiped off the excess. Let me show you some of the results. Here's the passenger seat. Look how horrible this seat was. I didn't even think it could be saved, okay? And then down the center here, see that? Let me walk around. The owner said this car was, this interior is 50 years old. My guess is it's never been properly cleaned. Okay, so here's the back of the seat. This is just kind of a boot area. This is a convertible. And then here's the driver's seat. It's kind of hard to see. Let me come back here. You can get the idea though. So here's the clean side. Here's the dirty side. Who wants to sit on this? Who wants to sit on this? I'll take this side any day of the week. Anyway, at this point now, I will go ahead and finish out the whole thing. Here's that center part again. Look at the difference. I actually did this section here too. So, oh wow, now it really shows up good. Anyway, gonna finish the whole thing. I'll come back and make a video showing the after. So here's one way to do this. It's the old school way. Grab a brush. Let me show you how I like to clean interiors like this. Spray a little juice down there. Fire up the cordless Flex PE 14, the 5-inch rotary brush. Sorry about camera work there. Wow, look at that. You know, that's how it started out. Like that. Boom. This is gonna clean up really nice. So here's the final results. So this is after a very thorough cleaning. using the LVP Cleaner. That, by the way, that's a shadow coming off the window here. It's not a dirt stain. These things are super clean, but this is after a thorough cleaning using the LVP Cleaner. And then I massaged in 2 very heavy applications of the LVP Conditioner. Check this out. Remember how they looked in the before and after videos? Okay, so this is 50-year-old leather. And from what I can tell, hadn't really been properly taken care of. So now even the shifter boot looks immaculate. So anyway, this is what you can do with quality products, a little bit of elbow grease. And you can get all these products up at 3dproducts.com. That's the LVP Cleaner and the LVP Conditioner. Now, this thing would be nice to sit in and of course take for a cruise.